welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming my Mary Kay unboxing 2018. This is the box. It's very cute, like the box that everything came in. It says Mary Kay, and then on the top it says, "Just one more woman today discovers how great she really is. It will be a great day." And then at the bottom it says Mary Kay Ash. That's her quote, and I think that's very, very cute and cool. Like, even the side of the box, it's just a really cute box. And the inside is even cuter. So if you want to stick around and see what's inside, then keep watching. So we'll start off with the box. When you open it, I'll show you. Opens up like so. And then that's what you see. It's so cute. It's gorgeous. Like, it literally is perfect. It says, "Today is your day" on this. And it has like little gold decorations. This is kind of an unboxing because I kind of haven't opened everything, and I don't really know everything that's in there, but I did open it, not gonna lie. We're gonna start off with the first thing that you get is a Mary Kay magazine, like catalog thing, and I already have one of these. I have like a ton, so I haven't opened this one yet. It's even cute. And then you get the party starts here, and you can like put it out on your table whenever you throw your party. Like on the back, you can like put it up so it looks cute. Then it has steps to success, love what you do, and it kind of like shows like all the things you can win and about the company. And these are like the cool cars that everyone knows about that you can win. Pink Cadillac's my favorite. It has a video that you can watch to learn like about the company and like how to be a Mary Kay consultant and things and tips and tricks to help you. The Mary Kay Ready, Set, Sew. So this is like how you start, and you have to pick from all of these, which is really hard, and I haven't even done that yet, which I need to, but it's a lot. There's this little cute little card that says, "Hello, gorgeous," and then in this inside, it's like your welcome invitation to being a Mary Kay consultant, which is so cute. Then you get a bunch of Mary Kay The Look little magazine things to give out to your little customers and let them look through it, which is really cool. It comes with name tags, and the name tags look like this. Whenever you throw your party and you have all your little girls, so you can put their names set out. And then it also comes with these Mary Kay markers, which is so cute. And then it comes with your Mary Kay customer profile, so whenever you throw your parties, they'll fill this out. And it just has like their information on their skincare and stuff. This is whenever they buy something. These are little mats that you can put out whenever you throw your parties. It just kind of shows like stuff about the skincare and stuff. That's everything we have here. The big part is the bag. It's leather, it's big, like I'm not even that big, and it literally could cover me. But it's black, and then it says Mary Kay right there. And in the inside, it's filled with stuff because I put it in there because I have to bring it to my Mary Kay party I have tonight. The first thing, I think it was only a one-time thing or something, but I got the Time Wise Mary Kay Replenishing Serum, and I guess I could open them. And it just looks like that. I haven't even tried it yet. I'm about to try all of these things. I just have been very busy lately, so haven't really gotten to try any of it. But I've heard good things about this. And then it also comes with the vitamin C activating squares, which is very good for your skin. So I also have those. Next, I have the Mary Kay Age Fighting Moisturizer. 2 of those. And then I have the Day Solution Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 35. And then I have Night Solution. And I've tried all of these and they work wonders. They make your skin so soft. And I didn't break out. Like, literally, I only use 1 freaking stuff for my face and that worked great. Then I have the 3-in-1 cleanser. And I think 2 of those, or maybe 3. This is the oil-free eye makeup remover, which I need to get some of this for myself because, you know, I usually just, at night, when I'm lazy to wash my face, I usually just use makeup remover wipes, which isn't the greatest for your skin. But the next thing I have is the CC cream with SPF 15 in it. Next, I have more of those. And then this is the mascara. I kind of want to open it and see what it looks like. Which looks like that. Ooh. So, you know, I'm gonna have to try that out. 4 of these, like, makeup stand things, and it comes, like, with mirrors, so whenever you're throwing your party, everyone can try out the makeup with their own little makeup mirrors. And then what goes along with that are these little tab things that you put all of the products that you're using on that so they can try them out. And then you can't forget makeup remover wipes. These are just like disposable face cloths, that's what they're called. Also, I've heard great things about this. It smells so good. I have to open it. And everything is so packaged, so cute. Like, I'm obsessed. Like, look how cute that is. Like, what? I need to smell this. It's a lotion. Yeah, that smells really good. So, it comes with the lotion. And then some scrub, like hand soap. And this is like hand lotion, I'm pretty sure. This is more thick. And this is more like, you throw it in your purse and your hands are dry and you throw it on. So that's what that is. I'm going to be doing like a review once I try everything, but for now this is just me showing you what I got. So next, there's this really cute heart little bag, and inside are all like the little testing disposable eyeshadow things. So whenever you have your party, all your little customers, or whatever you want to call it, can apply their makeup with these. And then there's mascara ones. And more stuff for your party. So that's all that's in this little bag. And then this stuff is for you, the consultant. This is so cute. This is the binder. And then on the back it's just black and then hearts. But inside it says get the party started, which kind of just helps you through how to throw your party. And then you can also put paper and stuff in the back. And then my favorite is the Mary Kay planner. and it's so cute. Like, just look at it. And this is where I'm going to be planning my Mary Kay career in. So it just helps you stay organized and keep going. Like, this is a motivator to keep going and to cross off everything that you've accomplished through your career. And I'll just show you the bag because that was it. The bag comes with 2 pockets. And then in the inside is so cute. It's like a floral print. And it has a bunch of organizers. So that's everything that you'll get in your Mary Kay starter kit. All I have to say is I'm just beginning. I don't know a lot about everything, but I literally cannot wait to get started, and it's just been such a great experience so far. So if you have any questions about Mary Kay or just about anything, then comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and until next time, don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. All right, have a great day.